Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, we will be learning how we can change our Messenger password. So for that, firstly you have to locate the Messenger app in your phone and open it. And once you have opened the Messenger app, click on the three lines option which is at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can see the gear icon which is located just in the right hand side of your profile name and just open it. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen where you can see the Account Center option and tap on it. Now locate and find the Password and Security option and click it open. We can clearly see an option saying Change Password, so tap on it and similarly tap on the profile name to which you want to change the password. Now before you move further, you must enter your current password before you can set the new password. Once you have typed your current password along with the new password, click on the Change Password option which is located at the bottom. And you will be sent a security code to the email address which has been linked to your account, which you must retrieve from your Gmail and put it on the section saying code. Once you type the code you receive, tap on the Continue option. As you can see, your password has been changed. So this is the easiest technique on how you can change your password of your Messenger account. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.